guys, Cardano, I believe, is on a massive launch pad towards the upside very, very, very soon. We're going to dive into Blackrock Inflows today, Cardano Daily TA, Cardano Chain Hard Fork Update, and the Bitcoin 4-year cycle. So let's hop into it. Trading view, take a look at the 4-hour chart. Cardano's been consolidating since the 13th, since this weekend, going up, down, and this could possibly be a big move to upside incoming. And I want to get to why I think the whole industry is going to be going up very soon towards the end of the video, so stay tuned. So we see consolidation. We look at the DXY, the US dollar index, which I talked about last video. Go check that out if you haven't. It's a reverse correlation to Bitcoin, so when the DXY goes up, Bitcoin goes down, vice versa. We see like a double bottom pattern happening in the DXY. And I'm no TA expert, but I know that usually that means you go upwards, but that's not always right, because if we look right here, we could argue this is double bottom. Oh, we're going up, we kept going down. If Bitcoin's really strong, DXY is going down, and I think Bitcoin is very strong. Like I said, I'll get to that cup and handle action over here. I want to talk about Bitcoin halving real fast. How long ago was it since Bitcoin halving? 88 days. All right, I've talked in the last video, I've heard that 150 or 175 days after the halving is when things really start to ramp up to the upside. And if we look up that search on Google, historically Bitcoin has experienced a notable price increase in the 6 months following the halving event. In fact, Bitcoin reached all-time highs in each 4-year cycle between the previous halving events. Obviously, we know that. All right, so we know that. We think something's big is happening. You know, whether we get a little consolidation or going downwards, you know, I don't think that's anything to worry about. Even though this is not financial advice, I'm not telling you to buy or sell, just giving you my opinion. But let's dive into the Chain Hard Fork real quick on Cardano. Look at pooltool.io. Node reporting versions. So we got 23% so far on version 9. Like I mentioned in the last video, again, I've been making a lot of videos. Chain Hard Fork is the last part of the Cardano phase, which is governance. And that's going to give it pure decentralization, so people, stakeholders can vote. They have a treasury, they have all that good jazz, and it's truly decentralized compared to really all other cryptocurrencies. So yeah, so that's pretty neat. It's a good update, and hopefully we'll be seeing that 100% someday soon in the near future. Next part I want to go into, we did a little TA. I'm not the best at TA. I'm getting better with it, guys. Comment below if you know you guys got any insight. I want to cover Blackrock Inflows, and this has to do with the whole crypto industry in general. Go on CoinDesk here. Bitcoin ETF traders bought the dip and now are buying the rebound as inflows topped 300 million Monday. That was yesterday. 7th consecutive day of net inflows for US-based spot ETF funds. Wow. I mean, guys, it kind of just speaks for itself. Lifetime net inflows to the Bitcoin exchange traded fund, 16 billion on Monday, as investors have shown themselves to be buyers in up and down markets. I mean, guys, it's crazy. I mean, we look at Bitcoin, we're getting all these inflows, and people say that we're so high still in the price, and I just don't know how accurate that statement is. I mean, we can go very high. Of course, this is not loading, but we're in a good spot. I think if you're in crypto, I think we're still early. Wall Street just got in. I mean, we just saw Wall Street and Blackrock. They're all getting in so recently. So yeah, I mean, the future looks bright to me. We're gonna see what happens. And the last thing is just a 4-year cycle. I mean, I mentioned the 88 days and usually 6 months after. I mean, guys, this could happen a lot earlier. We're seeing these inflows. We're seeing prices just absolutely go up. We're seeing the Launchpad set for altcoins. You know, usually altcoin season starts not soon after Bitcoin goes up to the top. And I don't know where it's going to go, how far it's going to go up, but I believe it's going to go past where it's at right now. So, guys, we're going to see. Just keep an eye out, guys. We're trying to grow this community. I know a lot of you guys are not subscribed. Please just hit that button. It takes 2 seconds. Trying to grow this thing and to get more motivated to use it. So yeah, guys, Tune in next video. Thank you.